Okay, so this morning I ended up going down to town to return my TV equipment there because I changed things over, and I got to thinking about how to be creative and try something new in the home, something different that would be fun and kind of like, family-ish, to try to bring me and Emily's relationship closer, but yet also have fun, while also at the same time having her be able to do her chores and everything. So this morning I went all over. I went to Kmart, and I went to Rite Aid, and I went to Family Dollar, and I managed to pick up everything that I needed. And when I come home, I drew out on a lined piece of paper, kind of like I guess you could say, a blueprint of what I wanted to make. And so I came up with a chart that's called Mommy's and Emily's Daily To-Do List. And it has a whole bunch of encouraging stickers, as you could see, to help encourage and say way to go, and all this other awesome stuff to make it also look pretty and everything else. And then I have up here, I bought 2 packages of little stars, and every time that Emily and I together complete one of the 24 cards, which is that the goal is to complete as many as we can and do as many as we can each day, and at least try to do all of them. Emily will be able to place a sticker of whatever color star she wants under each one of the cards that we have listed. The cards are Mummy and Emily's, and then we have brush teeth in the morning, brush teeth at bedtime, make bed every morning, shower and wash your body and hair good, help put away clean dishes, help put away dirty dishes, clean cat's litter box, help take out trash, clean out water bowl and refill it, give cats some food, be nice to both the cats, clean up any mess we make, use our manners, please and thank you, tell each other we love you every day, give each other hugs and I love you kisses every morning and before bed, help set the kitchen table, be nice, use kind, loving words to each other, be a good sport when playing game, help with laundry, and help make meals together. I also included 4 super extra special cards to make it more exciting and more fun, and kind of like, I don't know, just like kind of like a game, but excitement, something fun for her and us to both do together and see if we can kind of how much we can accomplish. The first one is have fun. Then the second one is lots of cuddle time together. Then the third one is share lots of laughs together. And the last one is smile. So this is the board that I created and decorated, and I actually gotta say I'm pretty amazed at how creative I got, and I got a feeling if Emily's gonna thinking anything like me, she's gonna be just as excited to do this as I am. I'm actually pretty looking forward to this and pretty excited. So we shall see, and I got a feeling it's gonna work, and things are gonna go better. So here's to positive thinking and a brighter and better, happier future, both in the home and together as a family. So it's all good.